In chapter 1, section 3, we have multiplying and dividing rational numbers. So it means what? Rational number, it means fraction and decimals. Okay? Look at here. We have a rule, so I studied before in the first video about the basic of mathematics. Rules for multiplying and dividing two rational number. If the signs of the factors or numbers are the same, so the product is positive. Okay, when we have two numbers and they have the same sign, so it will be positive. If the signs of the factors or numbers or integers are different, the product is negative. Okay, when we have different signs, so the result will be negative in multiplication and division. So this is for dividing and multiplying. Okay, when we have a fraction, okay, look at here, 6 with what, 2 over 3, and every number it has a denominator with 1, okay, and numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator equals what, 6 times 2, 12, 1 times 3, 3. So now we can simplify. It comes from 3 times 4, 1 times 3, they are cancelled, the result will be 4, like that. Okay, we have what, we have this example, and on page 14, negative 5 over 12 and negative 12 over 7. Anytime when we have two fraction and when we have multiply between them, so we can canceling diagonally if we have the same number, because we have the number from here and from here, so we can cancel them every time when we have multiply between them. So it will be what, it will be negative 5 over 1 times negative 1 over 7. Now negative times negative, positive 5. 1 times 7, 7. So this is the result. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, now this is the result. Okay, about this numbers, 3 over 5, 1 over 4. 3 times 1, negative 3. 5 times 4, 20. So this is very, very easy. About multiplying decimals, so this is not hard, so this is easy. Anytime when we have a decimal, with decimal or with any number, how to multiply them? Look at here, this is very, very easy. We have negative 5.2 times negative 5. Okay, so the signs will be positive. And how to find the numbers? You can write down them in vertically, so this is very, very easy. باشە بابەجان تەماشاکە ژمارەکان بە شێوەی vertically دەنووسین بەس بەبێ point باشە without point. 5.2 دەکەمە چەند 52 باشە کاتە 52 times 5 ساینەکانیشم لێکدایە بوویتە موجب. ئێستا 5 times 2 10 0 2 5 times 5 25 plus 2 27 equals 270. Now how many numbers do you have after the point 1? So I have to come to here, so the result will be what, positive 27 0. So this is not important, the 0 after the point, so it is 27. Okay, it's like that. And this is 1, not 2, because 5 times 2 10 0 1. Okay, and 5 times 5 25, with 1 equals 26 and 26 6. So the result will be 26. Okay, what about b? Okay, we have what, we have negative 0.7. Okay, how to multiply them? So I told you you can remove the pointers, so we have 46 and 7. Now multiply. Because we have different sign, the result will be negative. 7 times 6, 2 and 4. 7 times 4, 28 plus 4, 32. How many zeros do you have after the point? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it will be what? Negative 0.32. So this is the result. Okay. And what about divide between fraction? So this is important. Okay. This is important and you have to know about this. Okay. We have what? 7 over 15 divided by 4 over 5. The first step, you have to change this. How? The first step, you can write down the first fraction, 7 over 15. Then you have to change this divide into multiply. And you have to reverse this fraction. They can 5 over 4. هەر کاتێک دابشمانە بەبێنی دوو کردی یەکەم فراکشنی خۆی بنووسەوە ئەوەی کە جاران مەڵتیپلای ئەوەش هەڵگەڕێن عکسکەوە هەموو جارێ وایە ئەو جە ئێستا سەرە جاران سەرە ژێرە جاران ژێرە ئەوە دەکاتە چەند دەکاتە 35 ئەوش دەکاتە 620 ئۆکەی بۆ شێوازە سۆری دەکاتە 6 120 ئۆکەی باش ئەوە بۆ شێوازە ئەوەش وەڵامە دروستەکە باشە دەشتانی تەبعاً کورتیکەینەوە ئاگاتان لێبی لەوچێ لە بەروی ئەوە لە چێ هاتیە ئەوە لە 7 times 5 هاتیە ئەوەش لە چەندی هاتیە لە 4 times 15 هاتیە ئەو دووە دەتانی هەم دیسان کورتی کەینەوە ویکەن simplify them ئەوە بەسەری دەبتەیەک ئەو دەبتە 3 دەبتە چەند دەبتە 7 over 12 یان دەتانی لێ ڕاکورتیکەینەوە diagonally ئەو دەبتە 3 ئەو دەبتە 1 7 times 1 7 3 times 4 12 I told you when we have two fraction so we can cancelling diagonally. Okay, if you have the same number or any cancel do you have. Okay, we have this b let's solve this 5 1 over 3 divided by negative 7. Okay, at first you have to change this to fraction because this is mixed number and 5 times 3 15 plus 1 16 over 3 divided by negative 7. Now I have to change I have to write down this 16 over 3 and I have to change this to multiply and this is 1. I have to reverse this like that. Now it will be what? Numerator times numerator equals what? Negative 16 and this is 21. So this is the result. Okay, this is the result. So this is very easy. And we have some exercises in here. So this is very easy. Now 5 times 1 over 2 because this is 1 numerator times numerator equals what? Equals 5. 1 times 2 2 and 2 negative 7 1 3 4. At first you have to change to fraction. How? Negative 7 times 1 times 4 4 plus 3 7 over 4. Now this is 1 and numerator times numerator equals negative 49. 1 times 4 equals 4. So this is the result. Okay, so we have the same idea and there is no difference with the examples, so you can solve these exercises. If you have any question you can contact me. If you are not my student, if you are my student you can come in school. So this is my number and Snapchat and Instagram مامۆستا داش سەفەر. Okay.